Okay, so in this short video, I'm just going to review how to work in this document to modify and change elements that are in this document that have been brought in from other pieces of software. Over here, if you click on this picture of this woman making this dish, you can see from the links palette that is open, and if that's not open in your computer, go to Window, go down to Links, open it up. So if I click on that, it's telling me that image is a JPEG. It's called Gamma or Gamma. Typo. Um, if I click on this image, that's called tablecloth. And if I click on this, that's called cutting board. You can also see that this document has been built with layers to make it easier since it has a lot of things going on in it. The designer can lock this out if they just want to work on one area. So I want to quickly just go through two things. The fabric layer, which is actually the tablecloth, that is here. Let's unlock it. So let's say that I wanted to change that tablecloth. I wanted to change the color of it. From the links palette, with it highlighted, I could go to the hamburger menu and go to Edit with Photoshop. So as you can see, this is a PNG that has a transparent background. And when I open it up, you can see that it's not oriented the way I have it in the document. I rotated that image once I placed it in my InDesign document. So I could go up here to Image, and I could go to Adjust Hue and Saturation, and I could change this to different. So let's say I like that. I clicked OK, and then I save. If I go back to my document, you can see there's a little alert sign here. It's telling me that this file has been changed. I go up to the hamburger menu that's in this window, and I go to Update Link. And there we go. And that's how you change a link and save it and then update it.